Yvette, and today I'm going to show you my new garbage disposal. It's made by Moen and I'm super excited about it. What makes it special is that it comes with a pre-installed power cord, so it makes it really easy to install for the average homeowner. And for me, a new powerful garbage disposal is heavenly because I use it so much for as much cooking as I do. But how many times has your garbage disposal not smelled fresh? I know it happens to all of us, but what I've made are some all-natural garbage disposal refreshers, scented with lemon and oranges, so they smell beautiful. So what you could do is display them in a pretty glass jar, keep it on your kitchen counter or under your sink, and all you have to do is place it in your garbage disposal, turn on your water, on your garbage disposal, and voila! Your kitchen smells citrusy fresh. I'm going to show you how simple these are to make.